Alright everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick keto video. I know a lot of you want to still eat pizza with your friends and family, but you can't because you go out and you can't eat pizza and you're on keto. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not quite as good, but it does work alright. What I've done here is I've peeled off the pepperonis, the cheese, and a little bit of the marinara sauce, and I've put them on these zero carb tortillas. You can get them at the stores. They're zero carb. So basically what you do is you grab a piece of pizza like this, and you can use like a fork or something. I just use a lid and I just scrape it off, and it gets scraped off like that. And basically that's how you can eat pizza with your friends and family, and you don't have to miss out on their good times. All right, have a good day.